Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, why don't you subscribe and hit that like button, leave a comment. Today's video I'm going to be explaining why I like to put an under wrap on the rod. People say that, it makes it stiffer, it compromises the rod. You do get a little extra stiffness, but it's such a slight amount that it's really not that big of a deal. And the reason, the benefits outweigh the negatives. For example, I'm putting this guide on right here. Now if I would epoxy this, you got the epoxy and then the guide has like a bevel on it. And the epoxy, can crack underneath there, and so the benefit of putting the under wrap on is you have something, when you put this guide on, it squeezes into those threads, so it gives it more stability. And then when you're epoxying, those threads act as a wick, so that epoxy gets underneath it really good. I would only put under wraps on all my rods, but some customers don't want them, and the customer is always right, they say, but I try to guide them in that way. But if it's not the look they're going for, then we don't do it. But here I'm getting it laid out so that I can put that under wrap underneath, and I'm figuring out where I'm going to start because I want the exact same distance on the under wrap. And I'll just let this play out for you, and you can see the benefits I definitely outweigh the negatives. I mean, there's the slight difference in stiffness is nothing compared to the benefit you get out of it. These guides will never come off. They'll be on there for the life of the pole.
And Jeremiah was prophesying over in Judah.
Alright, the rod, the under wrap is done, so I'm going to put the guide on and make sure that I can see that it's going to, but you can see when you put this guide on like this, man, nothing is going to take this off. It'll last forever in this situation, I'm telling you. It's the only way to go.